Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good morning and happy 4th of July, everyone. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Joshua Franson, and we're seeing that high pressure sit over us today, which means we're not going to see any rainfall. We'll remain dry because we're underneath sinking air, but it does mean we'll receive the heat and humidity. Winds today out of the south at about 10 to 15 miles an hour, 5 to 10 tonight before shifting out of the southwest tomorrow. That's when we'll finally see the chance for some rainfall to help push out the heat and humidity. So we'll walk through it here with Futurecast, remaining mostly sunny into the afternoon, and then tonight pretty much remaining mostly clear. Excellent firework weather, granted it will still be humid. Then heading into the day tomorrow, we'll start off partly cloudy before scattered showers and storms form out west. They'll begin to slide our way around lunchtime, and then throughout the afternoon we'll see widely scattered showers and storms. That will persist into the evening hours tomorrow, but also help remove some of that moisture at the surface. Temperatures today getting into the upper 80s and lower 90s. These lower 90s will feel more like the mid and upper 90s. Some spots could even get close to 100 in terms of heat index. Make sure you're staying hydrated and wearing loose-fitting clothing, giving yourself proper time and air conditioning as well, because it's going to remain warm even into tonight, with temperatures falling off into the lower 70s and winds out of the south. Tomorrow, scattered showers and storms, temperatures getting into the mid and upper 80s and lower 90s. It'll still be a warmer day, but we'll have the clouds to help keep us shielded from the sun and that rainfall to help remove some of that moisture and cool us off at the surface. That sets us up for a cooler Sunday as we see this high pressure break on down, and then as we kick off next week, well, we're pretty much going to remain near normal. High pressure reestablishes itself over the western United States, keeps a lot of the heat and humidity with it. We'll have some days of northerly and northwesterly flow to help bring us cooler air, and a couple shots at some thunderstorm opportunity, mainly around Tuesday and Wednesday. So notice with your dew points here, hanging out in the lower 70s this weekend, then falling off onto Sunday, and then carrying into Monday. That will be our pleasant days before the dew points begin to rise again on Tuesday. But as stated before, we'll see the opportunity at some thunderstorms on Tuesday and Wednesday. So on your city-by-city forecast, dry and hot today, chance of storms tomorrow, and then we cool off for Sunday. Sunday will be the best day of the weekend, with temperatures hanging out in the mid-80s, which is where we expect to be for this time of year. Those temperatures hold throughout the week next week, but do note there is that opportunity for storms on Tuesday and Wednesday, but still, overall, should be a more pleasant week without the heat and humidity.